So you have your Vimeo account, but you really haven't set up your profile and you want to know how to organize videos on it as well. Well, I'm going to be going through that in this video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger and I'm your TechSimple Marketing Coach. And on this channel, I make sure to keep everything simple so that you can use the online marketing tech in your business. So how do you go about creating your profile? And even more, how do you actually organize some videos on it as well? Well, let me share my screen and I'll show you how. So we are now in my Vimeo account and it is a Vimeo Plus account. So I'm going to show you how to set up your profile. So at the moment my profile is blank, and I will show you. If I go to view profile, as you can see it's blank, there's not any information on there. So we could just go and add bits and pieces to it from here, but the other way you can do it is if you hover back over your image or icon, in my case, click on edit profile, and it takes you to this area where we can go in and change a bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a new image. So I've now uploaded my image. I can also write a short little bio. So helping clients with their online marketing tech. And then I can also write a much bigger about piece here. I can also set my location, so I'm just going to put here United Kingdom. You can be more specific if you want. And the other thing that you can do here is to give yourself a better Vimeo URL. So you can give yourself a Vimeo username. So let's see here, I'm going to say Jason Kruger, and that's not available. So I'm just going to add TSMC for TechSimple Marketing Coach. And then I can also add some links in here. So I can add the links to my website. So I can put in here Jason Kruger and then put in my URL and click on save. And then I click on save again. I can click on work, and I can also put in here if I am going to be available for any work, and also add a featured image. I can add my roles, project types, etc. Now that I've just added those little bits of information, let's go back to the profile and see what's changed on there. So you can see it's added a few extra bits in here. So I can add a cover video. Now I'm just going to choose one from my account, but you can go and record a proper welcome video, because as you can see, it's only going to have a small bit of this video. So it's going to be good to make sure that you record something that's going to fit in here. At the moment I'm going to choose that, so it's just going to be my face on the front, which is probably not the best thing, but it's all I have at the moment. So if I just click on done, that's not going to be added on there. So as you can see, that's not very flattering at the moment, but you know, you can go and replace that with one of your own videos that fit that better. And as you can see, it hasn't actually added my location, and I don't wonder if that's just because it wants something a little bit more. So I'm near a place called Bedford in the UK, so I'm just going to choose that. I can also then choose to hide that from my profile, add the bio part there, add an email address, and add any other links there as well. So I could add, you know, my social media profiles as well. And again, this is where you can put in that information if you are available to be hired. And it's also going to show, you know, that I've got some collections on here. I have got a showcase that I created, and if you want to see that video, I will place that in the description. Now the main part is adding videos to your account, because you can add different videos in here and you can organize it a lot better. So if I click on add videos, and these are going to be all videos that have been marked as public in my account. So let's add a few of these in here. So I want that one, and I'm going to switch this off, which is going to add all my public videos automatically. I don't want that. I want to curate those. So I'm going to click on add. So as you can see, it's added this to my profile, and you can go and organize it a little bit better. So if you want to move these around, you can do that. So I've now swapped those around. I can also create different sections as well. So this could be one section. If I click on here and create a new section, so I can give this a title. So let's just call these animated videos, or let's call them logo videos. And you can just go through this and organize your videos how you want them to appear. And this is great if you are going to be showing off some of your work. It's a great way to just add the videos that you want on here. So by adding that section, I've just given this a name so people know what these videos are about. And then I can then go in here and just, if I wanted to expand these videos, for instance, I could click on expand. So then this video will be much bigger than the others, and I can then, you know, change some of the layout. So if there's a prominent video that you want to show, you could expand it, and then you can shrink it. If there is a video here that you don't want on here anymore, all you need to do is hover over it and click on remove, and then say remove, and that will then be removed from your profile. So now we can go and just click on preview, and we can see what this is going to look like. And here we go. That's what your profile will now look like, much better. And as I've said, you can go and add all types of videos to this profile. The other thing you can do is you can change it to a masonry layout. So you can now go on and click and add, again, different sections in here, so you can then organize them a lot better. And that's how you go and customize your profile. Once you've added videos to your profile, you can then move them around, create different sections to showcase different types of video that you may create, or different types of products or anything like that for your business. So that's how you create your profile in Vimeo. So I hope you found this video useful, and you're now going and customizing your own profile in Vimeo. And if you have found it useful, then please look to subscribe and click on the notification bell as well to make sure that you get notified when I next post a video. And remember, make sure that you keep it tech simple. See you on the next one.